Hello and welcome top and best in everything. We are back with another amazing video for you. Today we will talk about amazing email marketing tools which you should know if you are doing email marketing. We have talked about email marketing tools before in our video. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommended to watch it. Tools which we will talk about today are all beginner friendly, so you can start with them without any problem. Before we start the video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We bring best content for you every day. With that said, let's start today's video on Debounce. The quality of emails in your mailing lists matters the most, as in case of more soft bounces and deliverability issues, your domain reputation score gets a hit. After that, most of your emails will start landing in the spam folder. A complete nightmare, right? Therefore, you should make a healthy habit of cleaning your email list regularly. And, for that, there are many bulk free email verification services. These bulk email validation tools separate spammy and fake emails in your mailing list, and you get emails of genuine people to communicate to. Here, we will review one of the best email validation tools out there, Debounce. Debounce is a powerful email verification tool for any business. It is a quick and precise platform for email validation and verification that provides a 97.5% deliverability. By a mix of validation methods and proprietary algorithms depending on the internal database, the validity of an email address can be found out. Any invalid addresses are filtered out at the end of the list validation process, leaving a clean, fully deliverable email list ready for marketing and business requirements. Debounce is one of the best email validation tools out there. You also get 100 free credits to check their services before buying additional credits. So get your free credits on Debounce today, link will be in the description. 2. Gmass. Gmass is a mass email campaign builder and sender that works with Gmail and Google Inbox. The system itself is a Chrome extension that embeds within Gmail to help you maximize Google's emailing services. With Gmass, you can easily extract email addresses from previous conversations, send emails as replies to your initial outreach email, integrate with Google Sheets, automatically send follow-up emails based on specific parameters, but beyond that, simply use the quick install option and start composing emails right from your native inbox. One of Gmass' big selling points, and a recent 2021 update, is that they now use their own servers to route emails. As such, you can break Gmail's daily send limits, more on that below, and up to 10,000 emails per day. When it comes to your campaigns themselves, you can send personalized cold emails with follow-up sequences to maximize responses. Any follow-up emails send as replies to the last thread with each recipient, so you don't have to worry about spamming their inbox. And with behavior-based campaigns, you can send emails to segments of prior campaigns based on specific behaviors, such as open, read, or ignored. Plus, automatic scheduling lets you can set your mail merge to repeat daily or hourly. 3. Woodpecker. Woodpecker is an automation tool for email marketing. It simplifies outreach and helps companies grow their sales, as well as helps marketing professionals conduct outreach campaigns. It takes over the daunting, repetitive part of the follow-up process and allows businesses to invest their time in more important matters at hand. Want to send a friendly follow-up after 2 days if you haven't heard back? You set the rules with only a few clicks, and Woodpecker does it all for you. Organize your personalized campaigns. Always maintain control over each element of the campaign, including personalization, the follow-up frequency, time of day schedule, the total number of emails sent per day, and so on, all from a single platform. Tracking everything is also possible, from when your emails are opened to who is opening them, replies and click rates, and which proportion of the replies are positive. Despite all of that, you can easily sort and manage your prospect list. Best thing about Woodpecker is they are giving away 14 days free trials. So in 14 days you can use every premium features they provide for free. If you want to try it, then you can check the link in the description. 4. AWeber. AWeber is one of the most popular email marketing software providers out there currently, and has been for years. This is mainly because the company not only offers over 150 customizable email template options, it also allows you the freedom to decide when, how, and where these emails will be sent. AWeber offers you everything you need to create a successful email marketing campaign. You have an easy-to-use interface and solid support system that allows you to kick off and maintain your email campaign without any difficulties. AWeber provides email marketing services for small businesses. This solution helps automate email follow-ups and delivery of newsletters. AWeber offers autoresponders that enable businesses to deliver targeted, personalized, and timely messages to customers. It allows users to integrate their email marketing accounts with various online services, thus improving information sharing among different corporate functions. AWeber lets users insert email subscription forms on their blogs, websites, and Facebook pages. Users' AWeber accounts can also be integrated with most of shopping cart tools, so that new customers can be added to email lists once they complete a purchase on user website. Users can also make use of AWeber API, a programming interface, to build their own customized applications and tools to meet their specific requirements. You surely think of what will be price of such amazing tool. Surprisingly, if you use our link you can start free with AWeber. AWeber Free gives you access to all the powerfully simple key features you'll need to build awesome, long-term relationships with your audience of up to 500 subscribers. It also includes full access to our award-winning, industry-leading customer solutions team available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help you be more successful, more quickly with your email marketing. So start your AWeber free plan today, link will be in the description. 5. Hunter. Hunting for new leads can be tough and time-consuming. Email marketing is a great way of introducing yourself and your brand to potential customers, but first, you need to know how to reach them. In the past, most business owners and sales managers have found themselves trawling the internet to find email addresses for particular contacts. This process can be endless, and endlessly frustrating as you find yourself hitting one brick wall after another. Thankfully, you can now call off the search as technology has given us some great tools to take the strain out of finding email contacts. Hunter is an email finder and email verifier tool which allows you to perform domain search for email addresses. Furthermore, Hunter.io can be used to quickly find email addresses for businesses or individuals within that business. Hunter is suitable for any individual or business looking to build a database of email contacts. Sales and marketing teams in particular can benefit from this tool, which speeds up the process of hunting down contacts. This was our list for today. All the email marketing service we have talked about have free plans. So you can check them, test them, and then if you find them appropriate for your business, then you can purchase paid plan. For starting of your free plan of all services, links are given in the description so you can check from there. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you find it helpful in some way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will give you awesome content like this every day. That's all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.